Gadgets for gamers, elevate your gaming experience. Welcome to Tech Prior. The rapid development of new and innovative gaming gadgets, gear, and technology is a fascinating result of the widespread appeal of the gaming industry as a whole. Not only is this an excellent option for avid gamers, but it is also an excellent choice for everyone seeking for unusual gift ideas. From enhancements to the overall quality of your gaming experience to functional bits of technology to more methods to personalize and decorate your setup. In this video, we have compiled a list of the top gamer gadgets to take your gaming to the next level. Number 12. The Mega Pack for the Sony PlayStation VR. PlayStation enthusiasts are likely already familiar with the plethora of titles that can be played on the PSVR. PlayStation has been utilizing its VR technology to generate an intriguing spectrum of dynamic titles, ranging from Resident Evil 7 to Firewall's Zero Hour. The PlayStation VR Mega Pack is an excellent way to dive headfirst into the virtual reality experience. The headset, camera, and stand, which are often sold separately, are all included in this bundle along with 5 popular titles that showcase the PSVR experience in a variety of different ways. Normally, you would have to buy these items separately. Both the PS4 and PS5 versions of the video game console are compatible with the PSVR headset and camera. Number 11. The Legend of Zelda is this week's Game & Amp watch pick. Beginning in the 1980s, Nintendo released a line of consoles known as Game & Amp watch. In this iteration, each game was loaded into its own separate handheld devices. The Legend of Zelda is celebrating its 35th anniversary with the release of this brand new version, which offers a familiar style of classic graphics and original sounds while utilizing technology that is newer and more reliable. There are 3 The Legend of Zelda titles included in the Game & Amp watch bundle: The Legend of Zelda, Zelda 2, The Adventure of Link, and The Legend of Zelda, Link's Awakening. It is already a lot of fun to have 3 classic games on a tiny device, but you can also get the feeling of playing the games as they were intended to be played by switching to the Japanese version. Number 10. Redragon K585 The One-Handed Gaming Keyboard. The Redragon K585 gaming keyboard is intended for more serious gamers due to its ability to condense all of the necessary buttons into a keyboard that is both slim and compact. The user can program 7 macro keys, and there are a total of 28 macro settings accessible. In addition, 5 different keyboard modes may be simply toggled between. Every one of the 42 keys on the keyboard has an anti-ghosting feature, which means that it is possible to hit that key regardless of how many other keys are being pressed at the same time. There is also a button that is specifically designated for activating the in-game map. In addition to this, the keys are both clear and tactile, and their backlighting comes in a wide variety of colors. Number 9. A microSD card from SanDisk for the Nintendo Switch. Users of Nintendo Switch are likely aware of how constrained the system's storage options might be. The Nintendo Switch microSD cards are the best option for anyone looking to store a large number of additional games and content that has been saved on their console. They are available in a range of capacities, from 64 GB up to 512 GB, and each one bears a unique yet easily recognizable Nintendo logo. Number 8. A Sega Astro City mini video game. Arcade patrons flocked to the Sega Astro City because it packed a variety of Sega games into a single large cabinet machine and offered them for play. The Sega Astro City Mini condenses the experience into a retro gaming console that can be played in the comfort of one's own home. It comes with 37 games already loaded. Number 7. The latest iteration of the Razer Blackshark. The Razer Blackshark V2 can provide you with dynamic audio for your gaming, and it is widely regarded as one of the best gaming headsets now on the market. The headphones provide you with virtual surround sound by utilizing THX spatial audio. This provides you with greater clarity on the sounds and places of your surroundings. Because these speakers include separate drivers for the highs, lows, and mids, The entire audio spectrum is reproduced in a manner that is transparent and unmistakable. The headset also includes a USB sound card that can improve your voice by isolating your voice from background noise and providing other capabilities that can do the same thing. Number 6. A RGB gaming mouse pad that also features wireless charging. This large mouse pad is ideal for gaming since it provides plenty of room for all of your gaming essentials, including your keyboard, phone, and mouse. The pad is encircled by lights that can be customized in any way you like, and you can select from a wide variety of lighting settings and millions of various colors. This is made even more tempting by the inclusion of a 15W charging pad, which enables you to charge your phone right next to you while you play, further increasing its convenience. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 5. The League of Legends edition of the Logitech G Pro Gaming Mouse 4. This sleek, purpose-built mouse was designed specifically for use with the League of Legends video game and incorporates the responsive and ergonomic characteristics of Logitech's Pro gaming range. Additional buttons serve to streamline your gaming experience, while the lightweight mouse that's contoured to match your hand gives you full control over your movements while you play. Number 4. The Thrustmaster TGT2 Racing Wheel. The Thrustmaster TGT2 Racing Wheel is ideally suited for use in racing simulators and video games, and its primary purpose is to produce a driving experience that is as authentic as is humanly feasible. Key characteristics include intuitive responsiveness and real-time force feedback, as well as drift curve calculation, which ensures that the controller's resistance is consistent regardless of the game being played. It may be used on a PC as well as a PS4 or PS5 gaming console. Number 3. The Newbie Headphone Stand with Wireless Charging. This wireless charging stand from Newbie allows you to charge both your phone and headphones in a streamlined and organized manner. There is an LED indicator that lets you know when it is charging, and it is compatible with the majority of devices that are capable of standard wireless charging. Number 2. The Elgato Stream Deck MK.2. This is a device designed specifically for streamers that allows you to control all of your programs and commands from a single interface. The deck is modifiable. You may choose which programs, games, or other operations each button will perform. Additionally, the colors, lights, and icons can all be altered to reflect your taste. Number 1. A pair of Corsair ICUE LT100 Smart Lighting Towers. The addition of lighting towers is a fun and interesting way to personalize your gaming environment. The Corsair ICUE LT100 towers each include 46 LED lights that can be customized, and they can be synchronized so that the colors and atmosphere match whatever is happening on your screen. So this is the end of our today's video. Do you like it? Kindly give your valuable response in our comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting and informative videos.